Okay, I got my beautiful pork in here. And we are going for a dry fry all the way to the dry. Mm-hmm. Do you like pork? I love pork. I don't know about you, but you should probably check it out. It's a very lean meat. And let's do this. Ay, fire, fire, fire. You cook it down and down and down until you cannot cook it anymore down. That's how you make good flavor out of this animal. You see, the oil is coming up from our very fatty pieces of this beautiful animal called pork. It's not the animal, it's the meat. Excuse me. You know where the animal is. That is it called? Probably. Look at that. The oil just boils down, comes up, and makes the best fried piece of meat. You don't have to add oil in this one. Alrighty, it's boiling down. Just like this. You want it to be very crispy. Usually we take out the oil to make it crispier. I might do that. And sometimes if you need the oil, you put it back in. Simply so. Okay, now I took out the oil, it was a lot, and I'm planning to put the beef the pork in here. So let's go. I will cook it down as much as I can. Put a little salt and curry, and ba-bam, ready. Got some salt. I'll put a little bit because I have some salt in the other sauce. I got some curry. And I'm trying to put this in there. Cardamom. I don't know what it does. I just put it in there. Okay. Voila. It looks like chimichurri, like people call that. I'll call it pork. Okay, now that we have flavored it, I got some. Okay, I'll use some of this beautiful vegetable. I will put it in here. You know, eat your vegetables. That's what's up. Voila, that's enough. Turn it down and voila. That steam works like magic. Alrighty, we check on the veggie. Is it working? Perhaps. I put the veggie last because I needed the meat to have the flavor. Just like that. You know, spinach will boil down and disappear. It does disappear for some reason. That's enough cooking. Now that our veggies are in there, I'll check it out. Always test the food. It's ready. Ready in all ways. And now we're gonna put this aside. Bring back this guy here. Stir him up. It is proving to be too thick for me. I might add water. Okay, water it is. These are Gnuts, y'all. If you know what Gnuts are, you know the drill. It's just peanuts, peanut paste. Another type of peanuts. We're gonna boil it down and then put our beautiful meat in there. I know we usually eat it dry, but today we are doing something different. Okay, I added water. However, I'll let it simmer down with this beef in there. This pork, clearly. Put it in there and then Let it cook down slowly. And there, my friend, we got a dish. This binyewa and pork. Never has it ever been done before. So this is the first time you see pork in binyewa. It's usually beef. It was inspired. I remember who inspired the dish. I was very into it, so I decided to make it myself. I'm sure they used beef. I am using pork. Yep. Bon appetit. We'll be back. I might decide to bake it because that will make a better sauce. Alrighty, so this is the sauce we put in the oven. That's how it looks like. Now that's ready to eat. Ooh, it's melting hot.